This is history for class 10th, chapter number 2. Why the non-cooperative movement? Actually, in the non-cooperative movement, in the book of Hind Swaraj, which is written by Mahatma Gandhi in 1909, he had described that British Empire established in India due to our cooperation, and if we stop our cooperation with the Britishers, then British will refuse to rule over India. So it is very necessary to non-cooperate them, as the power of Britishers become uh, helpless to rule on India. So by the social and legislative assembly and executive boycott started to happen, in which civil services, army and police, courts, legislative councils and students were started to uh, give up their services and studies from the institutions of Britishers. And young Muslim leaders Shaukat Ali and Muhammad Ali had cooperated with Mahatma Gandhi as in Khilafat movement, as per as it is a part of the non-cooperative movement of India against British rule. So this was mostly population has support the movement with Mahatma Gandhi against the British policies and British system as to non-cooperate them. Firstly, there was some clashes that Congress was not in support of this movement, uh, but after Nagpur session, which was happened in December 1920, they were agreed that they were adopt the program of non-cooperation movement. They were agreed that they will adopt the program of non-cooperation movement. So in this way Congress had started his support. Actually, before it, Congress was not in support of non-cooperation movement. That was because they were thinking that the election council election were scheduled for November 1920, and through by the election, if they come in the uh, ruling party, by the help of that ruling party they will start the movement against Britishers. But at last, by the concern of Mahatma Gandhi and by the views of Mahatma Gandhi, they were compromised to adopt this non-cooperative movement in the Nagpur session, which was happened in December 1920. Different stands within the movement. That was non-cooperative Khilafat movement began in January 1921. Non-cooperative, and you know that it is a part of non-cooperative movement. Khilafat was a part of non-cooperative movement. So various social group practices in this movement, each with its own specific aspects, and all of them were responded to call of the Swaraj, but in different meanings. There was a different meanings of the Swaraj in different people. So the movement in the town, as we were seeing, that the movement in the middle class participations in the cities, the thousands of students were left the government controlled school, colleges, and headmasters, teachers were resigned from their jobs, lawyers were gives up their legal practices, and the councils elections were boycotted in the most of the province. In Madras, where the jurist party or the party's non-Brahmins felt entitled, the councils were one way to get the same power, but it become this mentality become changed gradually. So the foreign goods were also boycotted, as the liquor shops picket, and the foreign clothes were burned in a huge bonfire. and the imports of the foreign clothes happened between 1920 to 21 to 22. Value drops from the 102 to 57 crores. So exports become now very less. uh, they were trying for the Swadeshi movement. Merchants and traders refused the trades of the foreign goods and for finance of the foreign trades. As the boycott of the movement is spread, uh, people being described importance of the clothes and wearing only Indian ones. The textiles mill and handlooms went up.